Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Shelby GT500 Fastback. And this one I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a great looking car. Looked to be a resto mod, as I believe it had a Tremec, it looked like to be a Tremec 6-speed in it, and had the bigger wheels. Unfortunately, the owner wasn't nearby, so I couldn't find out what kind of motor it had. I don't know if it had the original motor or if it had a Coyote in it or whatever it had in it, but it was definitely a real nice looking car. And in 1968, Shelby produced 4,450 of the Shelby Mustangs. And of that, 3,126 were fastbacks and 1,324 were convertibles. And of those numbers, of the 4,450 GT350s, there were 1,053 fastbacks, 404 convertibles. The GT500, 402 convertibles, and 1,020 fastbacks. And then the GT500 KR, they made 518 convertibles and 1,053 fastbacks. So they actually the GT500 Fastback was the rarest of the three, although the numbers were pretty close on all of them. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.